Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana is pushing higher here as anticipated. We did talk about in the previous video that we could get either a higher B wave or a fifth wave. Yeah, so that this wave here was not even finished, that we're still in the fifth, that this is going to go like this, and that we actually have finished this wave 4 down here, and we're now pushing higher. We can't really tell the difference at this stage because of the low we only have 3 waves, but it doesn't really matter in which wave we are, because this was the area to scale in. This was the support area, the relevant support area for a pullback trade, the trend reversal area, and therefore I wouldn't get too fussed about, is this already a fifth wave? Is it a B wave? Because at the moment there's no way of telling the difference. We have 3 waves up, so it could very well be an overshooting wave B. Anybody who entered, I would move my stop into break even at least or slight profit, because if we come down and put this C wave in place down here, then at least you got stopped out either neutrally or in profit. So yeah, and if this keeps pushing higher in a fifth wave, then of course you can keep moving up your stop loss below the most recent lows. That would be common practice or best practice. And even the B wave here could be overshooting. So how to tell the difference? Very, very simple. If we get 3 waves and come down, it's a B wave. If we get 5 up and come down, it was the fifth wave. And in the end, again, it doesn't really make a difference. The B wave is probably not going to push as high as the fifth, but that's why it's so, in my opinion, so attractive, so useful to trade the Elliott waves and enter in these support areas, because this was really, really, really great. I mean, here, support trend area, a trend reversal area, here was one, and here, this would have worked out twice, depending on how you traded this or if you traded this. And all I can say, as long as we're holding this support, still we can focus on higher. What I can tell you is as well, if we are in a fifth wave to the upside, which means this is basically the last wave of the uptrend, then we should get at some point here a fourth and a fifth wave, because this would be, 1 second, I could probably count this as a wave 1, 2. Yeah, and this would be a 1, 2 as well, most likely. But then we would have here the 3. And then we should get a fourth wave. And that should get into the region between 23.49 and 22.60 based on the current high. So that means if we now drop below 22.60, it would increase massively the chances of breaking down, that this B wave is over, yeah? But if we get 5 waves up, it would be an indication that we are actually in this fifth wave. Again, entering now is nothing I would personally do. I mean, you can trade breakouts, you can do what you like, but my approach would be, and that's why I give these trend reversal areas, that a pullback trade is done, right? It's just, for me, the more attractive one, because you can set the stop loss below the box, and if you move out of the box, you can just straight away move your stop loss into profit or into break even. And then if you see it doesn't actually break out, you can start to scale out. So yeah, I think this would have worked out very nicely here. But yeah, I'm still waiting here then for that wave 2 at some point. But for now, it seems like that we're either following this B wave, which can be overshooting. These flat patterns are quite common in crypto, or we are already in the fifth wave. If we are in the fifth wave, what would be a suitable target? So we talk about a target, and we can take for that the length of the third wave. We go to the low of the fourth. Target range here between 25.59 and 28.77. If it goes really crazy, it could even push all the way up to 31, but these are the possible targets, yeah, with probably 28.77 being the most likely one. Also the one I would prefer, because if we push there, at least we have a decent high, yeah. If we go to 25.59, it could easily just be an overshooting B wave, and then we will have struggles to tell the difference. But if we get 28.77, we could at least say that pretty clearly it was a wave 5. So I'm gonna observe that for you, but for now the uptrend is going. I told you what I would personally do, and there's no way of telling the difference if we are in the B wave or the wave 5. But if we break above 25.59, I think it would increase the likelihood and it would increase the likelihood for a wave 5 scenario, which could possibly push a bit higher. But yeah, that's where we are currently with Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.